Hello, friendly neighborhood. This is your Canadian Spider-Man here. Just bought myself a new electric chainsaw that I can recharge with my solar panels. Don't have to worry about fuel. It's got a 14-inch blade, which is big enough for anything I need to do with a saw. If I'm cutting down a bigger tree, I've got an axe and a bow saw. This is the battery right here, 48 volts. You can go up to 80. I'll start with this and spend more money on a bigger saw if I need it. Just pops right in there. Yeah, I've got everything here I need. I've got my gloves. I'm dropping the saw. I've got my ear protection on. The saw has been tuned up by my brother, who's an expert with chainsaws. I've read all the manuals. I've used a saw before. Safety glasses, earplugs, steel toe boots, heavy-duty gloves. Good quality pants. This is exactly what the company video for this saw has the operator wearing for safety gear. It's not a gas powered. The saw does not have the blade length or the power or the chain speed of a gas saw. So different safety equipment. However, I'm confident in this, so let's figure out how well it does cutting. All right, that's lock, that's unlock. All right. Let's go. All right, let's see. Oh, that was pretty easy. That was real easy. That's awesome. Good. Only thing is, that's going to be a hard fit in the wood stove, but it might fit. I might have to shrink it a bit. When it goes in, I might just have to leave the door open. And now let's see how this one cuts, shall we? That was pretty easy. That would have taken me maybe four minutes solid cutting with a bow saw. With an axe, maybe about the same. So this was a lot quicker. The battery lasts, I don't know, apparently it lasts quite a while. So I'll see, 150 cuts or more. This stuff, maybe even more. It's quite dry and it's not all that thick. I wouldn't want to do too much thicker than this, but you know, we'll see. The more comfortable I get with it, and we'll see what it does. But yeah, pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching today, and maybe I'll do another video later on if I see anything that changes with this saw. Till then, have a good day, everyone. Bye now.